Welcome back to MoonMagic Bedtime Stories. Little dreamers, to another enchanting night with tonight, our curious friend Iffa finds herself in a world bursting with colors, music, and magic, where every flower hides a secret, and every color tells a story. So get cozy, close your eyes, and let's step into the Rainbow Garden Secret. Story: The Rainbow Garden Secret. It was a bright morning in Starville. The sky looked freshly painted, blue, gold, and soft pink. After her big sky lantern adventure, Iffa woke up feeling extra curious. She peeked outside her window and gasped. A trail of colorful petals stretched from her garden gate all the way into the forest. "Strange," she whispered. "Who dropped these?" With her little satchel and sketchbook, Iffa followed the petal path through the woods. As she walked, she noticed that each petal glowed in a different color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, like a rainbow had fallen apart. Finally, she reached a clearing she'd never seen before, and there it was. A hidden garden, sparkling with color and life. Flowers sang soft tunes, butterflies shimmered like tiny gems, and the air smelled of sweet honey and rain. "Wow," Iffa whispered. "It's like walking inside a rainbow." As she explored, she found a small, round pond at the center. Floating on it was a single, glowing white flower. When Iffa touched it, splash! A burst of color shot into the air. And suddenly, 7 glowing orbs appeared, each with a soft voice. "We are the colors of the garden," said the red orb. "But someone stole our rainbow heart. Without it, the garden's magic will fade." Iffa's eyes widened. "A missing heart. I'll help you find it," she promised. Soft adventure music begins. The colors guided her through puzzles hidden in the garden. Red's challenge, a maze of roses that tested her courage. Orange's challenge, a friendly riddle from a talking squirrel. Green's challenge, crossing a vine bridge without looking down. Blue's challenge, calming a crying waterfall by singing softly. Each time she succeeded, the color orb glowed brighter, thanking her for her kindness and bravery. Finally, she reached a cave behind the waterfall. Inside lay a crystal chest, but it was locked. On the lid, a clue shimmered. The heart opens only for one who carries every color in their heart. Iffa thought for a moment. She had shown courage, red; joy, orange; kindness, yellow; peace, green; hope, blue; understanding, indigo; and love, violet. She smiled and touched the chest. It glowed, then clicked open. Inside lay a radiant crystal pulsing with rainbow light, the rainbow heart. As she placed it back into the garden's fountain, the entire place came alive. Flowers bloomed brighter, birds sang in harmony, and the sky shimmered with dancing colors. The colors swirled around Iffa, whispering, "You brought light back to our world." "Thank you, Iffa. Remember, real color comes from within." Moral of the story: true colors don't just belong to rainbows, they live inside us. When we are brave, kind, joyful, and loving, we bring color and magic to everyone around us. Closing, and that was the Rainbow Garden Secret. Another magical adventure with our curious dreamer, Iffa. Thank you for listening to MoonMagic Bedtime Stories, where every night sparkles with kindness and imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical adventures with Iffa. Next episode: The Whispering River, coming soon. Good night, little dreamers. May your dreams bloom with color and light.